Hi everyone, for today's video, I'm going to show you on how we are going to unrestrict someone on Messenger. Firstly, we need to go ahead and log into our Messenger account. Once we're here, we need to click the three lines here. And once we are routed on this page, we're going to click the gear icon. So once we are here, we need to click privacy and safety. And if you notice on your screen right now, there is restricted accounts. So basically, this page would allow us to see the different people whom we restricted. So just like for example, if I'm going to unrestrict this particular person, all I need to do then is to click the profile. So once done, we will be noticing then that there is an option to unrestrict the particular person. So all we need to do then is to click this. So basically, that's how we are going to unrestrict someone on Facebook Messenger. I hope this video was helpful. Until the next video with that.